Hey y'all, Worx Guy here, and this is how to set up the side discharge. And this was a question from one of my viewers, Butch. So Butch, this video will hopefully answer your question and potentially answer other viewers' questions too. So the side discharge, as you see right here, this is how I've got it. I don't use a bag because I hate having to dump all that grass out. So all you do, and I'll come up close here so you can see it in its full glory. See? Oh, brown recluse. Ooh, brown recluse spider up in there, man. But see, here's how it is, like this. And then you can see there, it just kind of sits alongside. Now, to be safer, always wear safety glasses because I don't trust these things. I had a rock thrown up in my face, not with this, but a different mower, almost blinded me. But see, there you go. So you can see how it's on there. And then, actually, I probably need to tuck it in a little bit more because I was demonstrating for this video. But see right there, see how that's off now? And there's those little grooves. Now I'm gonna put it back in. I'm gonna put my phone down here on the grass. And we'll put it back in. I'll show you. Hold on, let me get my fingers in here. Okay. So now it's back in there perfectly. Look at that. So I got the side discharge on, and those, like I said, those little grooves, that's what holds it to the side of the lawnmower. So it's easy to do, but you know, like you, I don't, sometimes owner's manuals aren't that good. Awesome lawnmower, but sometimes you don't get everything you would hope from an owner's manual. So I hope this video helped. That's how I attach the side discharge to my Worx mower. And like I said, I don't use the bagging attachment, although this mower came with a bagger. And by the way, everyone, you can expand this video's description and click the link there to find where to order this mower online. I strongly recommend it. I've been using it for several years. Zero issues. Only thing I did, I broke a blade because I ran over a rock. That was my fault. Easy to replace the blade. I've got a video explaining how to replace Worx Nitro Lawnmower blade, and that's the only thing I've run into, man. But great question, Butch. Hope this video helped. If it did, be sure to subscribe, like, and feel free to send me a super thanks if y'all want to. Not required, but if you choose to do so, you can click that thanks button down below this video to send me a super thanks. It helps to support videos like this one. Happy lawn mowing, y'all. See you later. Hey y'all, Worx Guy here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel, and when you do, ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.